Hi everyone, welcome to Chef Sweetie. Today I'm at my mother-in-law's kitchen. Hi.
Hello.
What are you cooking for us today, Mav?
I'm doing some giardiniera.
Okay, what's giardinera?
Giardiniera means all vegetables boiled with half water and half vinegar, a little bit of salt, and you cook it one at a time. You cook your fennel first,
Yes.
then you get that out, you put cauliflower in, you'll cook it for 5-6 minutes.
Until they're crunchy, not too
That's
soft,
right,
isn't
not
it?
overcooked.
Not overcooked, yes.
Then
yes.
you had your carrot,
Yeah. And capsicum?
capsicums, but all separate. It has to be all cooked separate because every veggie's got a different
Cooking time.
cooking time.
Yes, yes.
Then you put, you can put some mushroom together, but you do the white stuff first, like a collie, fennel, and mushroom.
Yeah.
Then at the end you do your capsicum because they got color in. Right at the end you do carrot.
Oh, so they won't discolor the
That's
mushrooms
right.
and... Okay.
Vinegar, it's almost boiled.
Mhm.
I wash my collie and I put it in now. These for about between 3 and 4 minutes.
Okay.
You're ready.
Yes.
You give her a turn every now and then,
Yeah.
just till it comes to boil, and then you'll take them out.
Okay.
It's almost ready.
So when you put them in, it stops boiling
Yes.
until it comes back to boil. Then
Yep.
you know it's ready.
Just give her a turn
Yeah.
once or twice,
Yeah.
and then you just get it out
Okay.
in a matter of a couple of more minutes.
Yeah. The best way to know is just to taste one, isn't it?
That's right.
A little bit. Yeah.
So if they're okay, just get it out. I'm ready to get it out.
Yeah. Now this is one head of a cauliflower. Yeah.
Yeah,
One-
very
one
much.
head.
So it depends how much you want to do it. If you want to make a small batch,
Yeah.
you use a half a collie.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can
Because in our kitchens there's no measurement, isn't it?
use, no. Especially my family, we are so big. Now I'm ready
Next.
for the fennel.
Okay.
So you turn your gas up again, and you put your fennel in. The best time to do giardiniera when the fennel season in,
Yeah. Which
because
is
they
now.
are tasting yummy.
Yeah.
And this is, as you know, this is winter veggies.
Yeah.
So you have to wait when that comes in season, then
Yeah.
when you do your giardiniera.
Yeah.
You can do it any other time,
Yeah.
but there won't be any fennel in. And that's really nice. Now, I'm ready to get the fennel out the vinegar. Again, that's only need about between 3 and 4 minutes. Otherwise they get overcooked.
Yeah. Next to
Next
go.
one, it will be the mushrooms. You can slice the mushroom the way you want it, or if you can find yourself a small button mushroom, but they have to be the hard one because if they're soft, they will be soaking in vinegar.
And they dark as well.
They're
too.
getting darker. So
Yeah.
if you can find a nice firm one, you slice. Otherwise, you can even boil as they are whole.
But they don't take that long, these ones, is it?
No, only if,
Less than fennel and
oh
cauliflower?
yeah, much less. I just turn a couple of times and I'll get it out. While they start to boiling, that's what the fennel look like.
And now you transfer them to another container, yeah?
And the big one because that when they have to be mixed in the
They have to cool down.
cool down and
Yeah.
then mix it.
Yeah. She
with
put it by
whatever.
the window to get some fresh air in there to cool down quickly.
That's right.
There you go.
So they don't overcook. Even so, they add the vinegar, but they don't overcook.
Yes, yes.
I'm ready to take the mushrooms out. As I said, the mushroom, they don't need it to be too long in the hot vinegar.
Yeah, it took about three minutes, not even, yeah.
About 2 minutes and that's it.
Yeah. Now, the water level went a bit down, so what we're gonna do?
So I'm gonna add a little bit more vinegar.
Yeah.
And just
About half a cup, maybe?
probably a cup of vinegar.
Yeah.
And maybe about 2 cups of water.
Okay. So about 2 cups of water. Do you top up the salt as well as
No.
you're going? No, because
The salt I leave it behind because when you marinate it, you test it. If you want more salt, you can have your salt.
Okay.
I'm ready to put my capsicum in. And you slice it small. So you put it in together, yellow, red, green, whatever you got, or whatever you like in.
And again, these ones don't take that long, does it?
That will take about a little bit longer than the mushrooms.
Okay.
Now I'm ready for my capsicum. They're done, not even 3 minutes.
I guess the heat from the water and the acidity from the vinegar cook them even quicker that way.
Yeah.
Yes. Beautiful colors.
Even if you put the green capsicum, they look nice. Now this is the best for the last. Carrot in.
Carrots, yum.
Ooh.
This will take a bit longer, is it?
I will say just about under 5 minutes.
Okay, the same.
Okay.
So that's my father-in-law. What do you got there, Silvio?
Olives from last year.
Homemade as well.
Yeah.
So you opening the jar for Mav to put
Yes.
to use some for the giardinera, Les? Okay.
This is the olive,
Yes.
homemade.
Yes.
This is last year one,
Yeah.
and they're still very crunchy.
What did you marinate? Is that oil in there? A little bit of oil.
Took the pips out, and then I put with salt and water. Change my water every morning. I have the salt every morning for a week
Yeah.
until they come sweet.
Yes.
Then I squeeze all the water out as much as I can, and then I marinate it
Okay.
with garlic, oregano, and a bit of bay leaf
And olive oil.
and olive oil.
Vinegar or
No,
anything
nothing.
else? Nothing
No.
in there. Okay.
No,
And hot chili.
One chili for just for taste.
you test this to see.
Oh, yeah, they're nice. They're still crunchy. They are not
Yeah.
soft. Yeah. Lovely. You know, I watched Pot Never Boil.
It's done. I think they're done.
Yeah, they're ready almost.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
I think my carrots are done.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do, because I don't need the vinegar anymore,
Yeah.
I'm going to dip that in this.
It's a lot of work, but they are worth all that effort.
Yes.
Yes.
And also they will keep for weeks in the fridge once you complete.
Yes, yes.
So it's worth it to put a little bit of work in it,
Yeah.
but they are tastier, and also you know what you put in.
No chemicals, all natural.
Exactly. The ingredients, we put them in the big container. Otherwise, you can't marinate in the small one. Because I made a big batch, we put everything together.
Now they're all cooled down completely.
They're all cooled down, and it's only a matter of do a good mix. Now with this, we put some oregano.
Again, no measurement, just what you
No,
think
depends on
comes from
how much you
experience.
made.
Yeah.
Some garlic.
Just one clove, one
Again,
large clove. Yeah.
If you make a small batch, you use just one. If you make a big one, depends. Some people they don't even like the garlic in it.
Yeah.
But
So
I
it's
do
optional.
put some in because I give you flavor. That's when you know it's an Italian giardiniera, when you put a garlic and oregano. And if you find the garlic clove is too big, you don't need to put them all in.
Yeah.
That's garlic, goes in.
Next.
I put some olives in as well.
Yeah. With the oil,
I put
the
everything
same
in it.
oil. Yes.
Instead of using oil from the bottle, you use the oil from the olive.
Yeah. We'll have more flavor that way.
That's right. But if you don't want oil in it, which is one tastes nice, I put olives and oil. Take a bit of time. Now, I have some gherkins. Because my family likes the gherkins in it. You just make just the way you want it.
Yeah. Cut it in half and
I cut them in half and then in half again.
again.
And that with that, all the ingredients you put in, it tastes really nice. But again, if you don't want it, you don't have to.
This is your antipasto.
That's more like antipasto, yeah. Now, because I haven't put enough oil from the olives, so I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil in it. Again, if you don't want it, you don't have to, but taste is nice. You don't need to put 2 liters, but probably put a half a cup. Again, depending how much you make.
Okay.
Now you can mix. And you can put a little bit more oregano in it.
Yeah. Now, the way you mix it will prevent them from getting smashed, isn't it?
That's right.
Because if you do it with a spatula, because they're a little bit
You've
soft.
got all the veggies.
Yeah, so this way it's,
So-
yeah.
And you can see it. There you are. And now we're ready to test it.
Then you will know if they need more oil or salt. Does it need any salt?
And I need more salt.
I
But for swirling,
no salt.
no salt. Now, this is ready. You just scoop it wherever you want it
Yeah.
and ready to go on the table. Italian table. And you can put whatever much as you want in, depending how many people you got. You're just ready to put them on the table. Thank you very much to watching my recipe. Until next time, I make the new one. Please keep watching.
Don't miss Mafalda's authentic Italian
Don't
cooking.
miss it. Mafalda's a beautiful recipe.
Thank you very much. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope you try this recipe at home. It's really lovely. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share it with your friends. Until next time, see you. Bye.